Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Yeah. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All hell, all hell. Outlaws. Where you at? 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 All they see is black venoms in my silhouette. Just watch the fear reappear in their eyes when I hit the set. Oh no, Tupac routine types of seldom seen. Iron Mike cut his hair like a guillotine. Time for some action. You making me high like Tony Braxton. Buster switching like Dennis Rodman. We still mashing. I put my hand up to God like it's hard filled with stress. Throwing blows in this square circle. See who's best. Mike don't hurt them, but they scream. Wait, what they mean? Tyson put him work his head, touch the whole Coliseum. Better act up when I see him. We loud in the front row. Hype up the crowd. If you don't like it, what you come for? All hail, 245 to fail the bed stop. Ass kick and split the water like a shark's tail. Still struggling. May God help me bubble. Hit the ring, do my thing. All the posts feel trouble. We at, yeah.